Setting up auto deposit for RBC each transfer allows you to have incoming each transfers deposited directly into your bank account without needing to manually accept them. Here's how to set it up. Log into online banking. Access your RBC online banking account using your username and password. Navigate to Interact eTransfer. Once logged in, navigate to the section for Interact eTransfer or payments within the online banking platform. Select Auto Deposit. Look for the option to set up Auto Deposit. This may be labeled as Auto Deposit or Manage Auto Deposit. Choose Account. Select the bank account where you want to e-transfer funds to be automatically deposited. Set security question and answer. If the sender's bank requires a security question and answer for the e-transfer, you can set it up for auto deposit. Otherwise, auto deposit will work without it. Save changes. Confirm your selection and save the changes to activate auto deposit for your chosen bank account. Receive confirmation. After setting up auto deposit, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that future e-transfers sent to you will be automatically deposited into your selected bank account.